The Data Recovery tool allows you to manage, correct, and enhance your documents in SOLIDWORKS PDM. By using the 5 functions, Data Recovery will allow you to copy a folder structure and files from Windows to the Vault, automatically check in multiple folders in a single operation, automatically redefine SOLIDWORKS file references according to intelligent rules, extract the metadata of PDM documents in bulk to an Excel file, and to update the variables of the PDM documents in bulk. We will start by copying a PDM folder into the Vault. Just select the folder to copy. We can then define the destination folder in which to import our files. Several options are available. In our example, we will copy only the files with SOLIDWORKS extensions, so we will use the wildcard character star to filter only the files whose extension starts with SLD. At the end of the process, a report is available for each of the 5 data recovery functions. It is used to verify that the process has completed correctly. The second function automatically checks in all of the documents in the selected folders. So we select the folder to be checked in. There are several check-in options, including automatically replace the latest version. The third operation allows you to detect and correct the references of SOLIDWORKS documents intelligently. You can view the references found in the Vault, and accept the corrections. The tool uses SOLIDWORKS for the corrections. After importing and correcting the document references in the Vault, it is often necessary to update the values of its variables. The fourth operation allows you to extract the metadata of the documents or files. Select the folder to be extracted. It is possible to define the variables to be extracted by entering the name of the variable in the column header. It is also possible to extract all variables automatically. We will open the file generated by Data Recovery. We will now modify it to give a value for family code. Finally, the last operation allows us to import the values we modified in Excel. When opening this operation, the parameters used for extraction, step 4, can be automatically reused. It is possible to change the configuration defined in the table or all the configurations. Several archiving operations are also available for this operation.